So our first DIY is going to feature an art piece with some packing paper. Now this is a great upcycle recycling project, especially for those of us who are shopping on the Amazon Prime sale. Wow. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I really like the texture of that piece. Very nice. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at DIY project ideas and react to them. So next up, it looks like someone might be making a mirror design here. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, it's like a little pegboard, and they can use it as like a little memo board or like put pieces on it. That's nice. Oh, that's something different. Look at the shape of that. That is really cool. Definitely adds some interest to the wall, and it's also useful. So moving on to DIY number 3. So they're using some wooden sticks here. Oh, wow. Very cool plant stand. Alright, so here's another upcycle idea with this pegboard. So they put a sheet over that. Oh, okay. So they added a string and just kind of revamped it. And then here's the DIY. Looks like they're making a side table. This is like the most basic design. I wonder if they're going to paint this. Probably not, since they're already installing the light. Oh, they have their books in there. And you can see them. Wow, that's pretty cool. Another cool, like, decorative project, but it's also functional. Especially if you're, a reader. What a nice little cozy nook area. Alright, so then we have a DIY for a decorative cutting board. Oh, this is for their laundry room? I thought that was their kitchen. Okay. Oh, what is this technique called again? I used to do this in Girl Scouts. Doesn't this look like her kitchen, or is that just me? No, that is her kitchen. You know what? Maybe she lives in the UK because they keep their washing machine in the kitchen. Okay, so I'm from the United States, just FYI. We have like a separate room for our laundry stuff, so. Really cute outdoor centerpiece with the shells. Makes you think of the beach. Very pretty. Oh, so DIY with a lamp design. So it looks like they have an old lamp here and they're adding some wooden pieces. Oh, okay, so they turned that into a stool. And then we have the shelving design. I do not think that I would trust this. This looks very, I don't know if it would be very sturdy. So if you're gonna do this project, make sure you don't put anything like large on this shelf, because I would not trust it to stay and hold anything. It would just be for like decorative purposes. It's a very unique shape too. I would say just put something really lightweight on there, because I can see that like falling off the wall very easily. Oh, their mirror cracked. People love putting their pets in their videos. She probably had to put the cat in another room because it probably kept on getting in the way. Cats always do that. They love getting in the way. Oh, she's doing like a cement art piece now. Oh, wow, this is so cool. I really like the texture of this. Now that's a really cool idea. Something different too. Kind of has like an edginess to it. And then our last DIY is going to feature a letter board. This is a cool, simple project too. I like the color scheme that she uses here. Kind of reminds me of Valentine's Day though. Valentine's Day. Oh, hello again, summer. Oh, that's cute. Okay, so I guess it's supposed to be like summer colors. Alright, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed checking out all these DIY project ideas with me. If you did, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.